I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, no, I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you I wouldn't know what to, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know, I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Jess of Jess Travels. Currently, we are at the hometown province of our pamansang kamao, Manny Pacquiao, ang General Santos City. So, for this week's or for this vlog, I will be featuring yung beauty ng Soc Sargent or the Sultan Kudarat, Cotabato, South Cotabato, Sarangani, and General Santos. So, currently, andito ngayon tayo sa may General Santos, sa may hotel. Ipa-flash ko na lang here. Medyo maganda tong hotel kasi mura lang siya, and then meron na yung pool, and then may pagka-valley vibe. So, we booked this trip a month prior. So, thanks Cebu Pacific for the said pass voucher. Actually, ang daming nangyari before kami nag-arrive sa ganitong destination. Pero na-realize ko kasi na ito na lang yung hindi ko pa napupuntahan na region sa Pilipinas. So, pagdating namin kanina medyo maulan. So, I'm hoping for the best na umaraw sa mga susunod na araw because this will be a week full of jam-packed activities. So, I'm so excited to share with you guys this trip, and I hope you keep on watching. Yes.
Last call, last order. Don't know why I waited for you to come over. I saw you last Monday.
can't stand to remember, even though I know it's just a phase. There's beauty in heartache, and I beg to embrace it, as long as I know it's just a phase.
Morning guys! It's relatively okay na panahon ngayon. So, andito na kami, pa-check out na kami sa Regional Resort. Ang itinerary namin ngayon is papuntang Lake Cebu. Kasi since nandito na kami sa Jensen. So, andyan na pala yung sundo namin. Nag-avail kami ng car rental service. And exclusive yun. So, para sa aming dalawa lang.
Hindi mo tayo wanted yan, no?
Hindi naman po.
Hindi. Left, right.
Let's go.
Si Kuya naman ang driver natin. Kuya, kilala po.
Ma'am, Kuya Bong,
Kuya Bang po.
Bong Roa,
Bang Roa po.
ka ano ni Duterte.
Ay, opo.
Anak ni Duterte.
Yun, anak ni Duterte.
So, kayo rin po yung drone operator.
Opo.
Yung sabing master drone operator daw po na sinasabi.
Pwede din yung isa, ma'am. Yung nandun kanina. Isa sa mga inspector namin. Pwede auditor namin sa Lakbay Timo. Mamaya.
Yun naman yung kalsada dito, Kuya, oh.
Espalto
Ah, grabe.
sa lalaban.
Pwede ka na tumakbo dito, 60 to 90 eh.
100 tayo mga
100 tayo ngayon.
Mas balik na ako 100.
Pag ganitong oras sa Manila, naku, bumper to bumper.
Ikaw mo na ako. Boss Ken? Ha? Ikaw mo na ako? Ha? Ikaw mo na ako? Okay.
Parang may mayas lang naman po. Bali, ano po?
Yes po.
Ano ngayon po sinusunod na po ito?
Yes po. Pero sa ano, mga okasyon na lang.
Sa occasion.
Yes.
Friends ko ha. Sorry.
Mamaya.
Ay, di okay lang po.
Ay, sorry. Thank you.
May ano po, tingkaw. Kaso allergic po. Pero sige, okay lang po. Sige po. Is ganda na.
Kahit yun na lang.
Video muna tayo konti, ma'am.
Opo, this is hala, nagko-close na yata yung mga pods. Dito kami ngayon sa Lake Cebu. Dapat daw hanggang, anong oras kuya yung ano?
9:30.
9:30 para abutan pa nakabukas yung Lotus Pods. Dito pumunta kayo dito sa may Lake Cebu, sa may South Cotabato, and very accommodating ng tours namin. Kasi talaga dinedirect lang kami kung paano namin dapat kami mag-post. And yung sa Lotus Pods, hanggang 11 AM na sila. So make sure agahan nyo dito. Ganda dito. So ito palang, ito palang costume is for 350 per person. And then sila na bahala mag-assist sa'yo sa kung paano ayusin. So yun. So, tapos na kami Lake Cebu. So, pupunta na kami ngayon sa aming paragliding destination.
Wala nang huli. Okay, go. Start. Hawak mo, ma'am. Ma'am, hawak lang, ma'am. Mahigpit. What's your name, ma'am?
Jess po.
Hello, ma'am. Jess, I'm Titoy.
Tikoy?
Titoy.
Tikoy.
Yes. Welcome to
Lake
Lake Cebu. Hello. Oh. Hawak. Hawak. Ito na. Pasok. Pasok konti, ma'am Jess. Pasok. Yeah.
My God! Parang dito pa lang ay nanervous na ako.
Opo. Hawak lang, mama.
Hindi pa naman lang yung hawak dito.
Hawak lang.
Ano ka po? Magalakad na kaya ako eh.
Malapit na, ma'am.
Hindi pa naman pala yung hawak dito.
Yan. So, 10 minutes ago. Yun lang yun. Yeah. Sige, 8 na. 8.
Diyos ko, sobrang lubak pala talaga. Kaya pala sabi ni Kuya, hawak.
Yes, ma'am. On.
Sobrang bumpy ng road. Medyo ang ganda dito. Pakita ko sa yung view. Ah. Grabe, no? Grabe yung grabe yung motor. Mas nakakakaba pa yung motor kaysa yung mismong yung mismong pagpaparaglide. So we are here.
Register muna tayo, sir, ha?
Okay po.
Pangalan, ma'am, address, tapos paraglide, and then pwede ka naman po. Dalawa kayo na,
Okay na, dito na.
ma'am, dito, ma'am. Pangalan, address, and then
Mabigpon si sir.
Sir, ikaw mauna, sir.
So siya guys yung mauuna.
Technique po na ito natin, sir.
So siya guys yung mauuna. And ako standby muna. So ito yung grabe ang ganda ng view guys. Hindi ma-justify ng camera.
Walang mahulog. Personal belongings sa daba? Wala na.
Okay. Wala akong kuya.
To follow na lang yun.
To follow na lang. Sige.
Kami na ni ma'am lilipad doon.
Okay.
Kung gusto mo... Look straight na muna, sir. Just do minor adjustments. Yan. Yan. So, this is paragliding. Ito yung art of free flight. Walang makina. Kailangan natin ng speed.
Okay.
Then later, pag sabi ko, Sir AJ, run. Unahan na kayo. Unahan ko na kayo magsalita. Huwag kayong mabigla pag ganyan. Inaangat. Normal yun kasi lilipad tayo eh.
Okay.
So pag naramdaman nyo yan, takbo pa rin ha. Ma'am, pag naramdaman nyo na inaangat tayo, takbo pa rin. Ganoon lang sir.
Okay.
Then later, sabihin ko na upo. Doon na tayo upo.
I wanted to know what it's like to drive down Sunset Boulevard with you. And I just want to take one more bite of everything and every avenue. Like cold drinks, summer nights. Let's get a little too drunk. Are you down? 'Cause I just got to move. Take a look at all the shining lights. Nothing beats that view. Will you meet me on the floor tonight? And it's California. I couldn't have warned you, baby. Ooh. Yeah, this place just makes you, kinda makes you want to. Yeah, it makes you want to. I just wanna take one more sip. Drink it and I just can't get enough. Like the sun always crashing in, and the way you look at me, yeah, I think I'm falling in love. Sweet talk, sun-kissed skin. Let's just go all in. 'Cause I just got to move. Take a look at all the shining lights. Nothing beats that view. Will you meet me on the floor tonight? And it's California. I couldn't have warned you, baby. Ooh, yeah, this place just makes you, kinda makes you want to. Yeah, it makes you want to. It kinda makes you wanna. Wanna be with you now. Wanna see what the sunset looks like. Wanna be with you now. Wanna be with you now. Wanna see what the sunset looks like. Wanna be with you now. 'Cause I just got to move. Take a look at all the shining lights. Nothing beats that view. Will you meet me on the floor tonight? And it's California. I couldn't have warned you, baby. Ooh, yeah, this place just makes you, kinda makes you want to. Yeah, it makes you want to. It kinda makes you wanna.
So yun guys, nauna na si AJ. Mukhang enjoy siya kasi kanina pa siya sumisigaw. Hindi mo lang ako masyadong kinakabahan. Naalala ko kasi yung suot ko, tsinela. So dapat pala naka-close shoes kasi nga baka mahulog sa ilalim. So I think this would be my greatest gift for myself. Alam niyo, money dial ko talaga is travel. So for my 30th birthday, super happy ako na I tend to celebrate in this beautiful province of the south of Cotabato here in Mindanao. I'm just waiting for my turn. Excited na ako. So the guys, pwede rin daw pala dito mag-camping. So sinasabi nila kuya na pwede dito kasi maganda daw yung sunrise dito. So unfortunately, hindi natin ma-experience yan, pero at least we tend to experience this paragliding adventure. Nga pala yung paragliding mismo, it costs 3,500 per person. Pero pag 2 to 5 person, may discount. So tig 3K na lang kami. Yung magkano po yung camping po dito?
Opo. Ang ano po, entrance 150. If included entrance po, 250.
Mhm.
If included pa talaga breakfast, 350 po.
Mm.
And then, ang tent namin is 450 with good for 2 to 3 person. With complete beddings.
Ah,
Pillow,
marami po.
may foam, may blanket.
2 to 3 person. Tapos usually po, ilang days? Meron na rin kayong kainan po dito.
Hindi po. Arrange lang breakfast sa ano.
Mm.
Hindi pa namin na-set up. Meron lang store na maliit
Mhm.
for drink.
So yun guys, nag-start daw yung paragliding nila ma'am noong 2019 before COVID. Tapos yung pinakamarami daw nilang fly sa isang araw is 17. Pero so far pa naman daw, wala pa naman daw casualty. So, safe naman. So they implement safety measures naman. And then mag-briefing naman sila kung ano yung mga do's and don'ts. So 70, tapos dalawa yung pilot. So imagine, grabe. Imagine lagi ka nagpa-fly. Ang saya siguro ng trabaho ni Kuya. Hi! What's your name?
Asa the speed bar?
Kamusta po yung si AJ? Ano pa nangyari?
Enjoy siya mo.
Nagsisisigawan, narinig ko po dito eh.
Ipapasok na natin dito.
Apo, pasok na. Ay, hindi po siya kasha. It's my turn. So excited.
Oo.
Super accommodating nila Kuya.
One, two.
So, ini-implement nila yung safety
Before helmet
measures.
lock. Camera good, may leash. And of course. Aha. Later ko na to. Yan naman.
Apo, sige po. Ayan, so dual ano kami Kuya?
Siglit.
Dual POV.
POV at saka selfie.
Apo.
Ha?
Apo, kaya na bahala selfie Kuya ako sa video.
Sige.
Karon ang bitong ang panamo under mine manggod ni karon under pan manggod.
Yan. Just
Okay.
excuse Jude. Okay, we will walk straight
Okay.
pero hindi nakakuba and refrain from looking at me. Wala mo nang upo.
Okay.
Okay. Kasi hindi pa tayo lilipad doon. Nandun pa yung wing natin.
Alright.
And simulation lang. Walk fast, ma'am. Just
Ay, sorry.
sige, okay, walk fast. Yan yung ma-feel mo.
Okay.
Ma-feel mo yung drag, that's normal, ma'am. Just.
Okay.
Ha? Okay, walk fast, look straight. Yan. Then later, ma'am, stop. Then later, ma'am, just run.
Okay.
Assuming we run. Assuming na lang tumakbo tayong dalawa. Wag na, ma'am.
Okay, sorry. Ay, assuming lang pala.
Assuming na we run.
Okay.
Run. Hala, ba't ka ba? Normal yun.
Okay.
Pag na-feel mo na ganun,
Alright.
never sit, never jump.
Okay.
Don't stop. Because ako rin, tumatakbo. Natutulak din kita kasi kailangan natin yung speed. Pap. Run. Okay. If we're flying, okay, Ma'am Jess? Sit down all the way.
Sige, ganda.
Hindi. Sit down muna.
Okay, sit.
It becomes a chair. Yan.
Hindi ko
Then,
sumita mo
pasok yung left hand. Dito, Ma'am, dito. Saka open.
Okay.
Yan.
Ay, paano pala to?
Ay, dapat si right hand. Ay, ano na. Ay, Ma'am, ipasok na natin si right.
Okay po. Pasok mo na.
Sige, okay na. Yan. Okay, tara.
Okay. Alam nyo guys, next time magsapatos kayo, huwag kayong gagaya sa akin ng tsinelas.
3, 2, Ma'am.
Hi!
7th of
August! My birthday!
It's a holiday. Oh la la! Sox Paragliding Adventure, Lake Cebu. That's review. Ma'am, can you introduce yourself and place of origin?
Hi, I'm Jess from San Juan!
Hi! Jolly day! 3, 2, 1, flying! Ma'am Jess, normal na, parang maano ka?
Apo.
Madrag, labanan mo lang.
Apo.
Kung gusto mong, sige, okay na, kaya na yan. Kaya yan. Basta ang gawin, anong gawin pag inangat tayo? Takbo
Takbo
pa rin
lang.
ha. Ma'am Jess ha,
Apo.
just give me your best run.
Okay.
And believe in yourself. This is
Okay.
not about me. This is all about you.
Yes.
You can do this, okay?
Yes. I'm so excited!
Yan. Okay. See? And walk pa. Come on. Takbo. Okay, takbo. Takbo lang. Takbo. Okay na, Jude. Okay na, Jude. Okay.
Every
Down.
change has a
We're flying. This is the Jazz experience.
Let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet. We could stay or we could leave. There was nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry.
That's her view.
I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close,
Stream. That's the sleeping
can
crocodile.
feel it. Something is behind the clouds.
Because we deserve
We
it.
just have to believe it. We can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet. We could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between.
Jazz experience.
So baby, we should start
Let's go
living
paragliding,
now.
flying the Fox Wings.
We only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now.
Staying here at 3,200 feet above sea level. This is the Jazz experience. 7th of August. Woo!
Baby, we should start living now. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now.
Lord! Ito po
Yeah.
guys, so ayun yung view. Sana makita nyo. Guys, oh, ayan lang naman yung view natin.
We're shutting down our minds. We just wanna feel that rush. Losing track of time, but that's so typical of us. When I hear the bass playing, we're on the floor. I just wanna let out my roar. Can't wait no more. Dancing like we're animals. Hands up, up in the air. Jump around like you don't care. Let people stare. Just put your hands up in the Just put your hands up in the air. Dancing like we're animals.
Monkey.
Yes!
So say hi dyan. Hi.
Hi!
The gardener.
Present!
Yulakot! Yulakot, good morning.
Lapod!
Coach slowly descending, ma'am. So,
Okay.
we have a top guiding adventure next to do. So, normal sunset. 3,300 feet above sea level. Slowly descending sa Awat Tijuana. 88, ma'am. Special day today. Thank you, Lord, for this, thank you, God, for this gift of life.
Sige po for Lord for this gift. Light, ang saya.
Body, spirit. Lord, salamat. For making me an instrument of happiness. Lord, thank you.
Iyak ako sa saya. Ang saya talaga.
Sorry, talaga. Salamat. You only pass in this world but once. Anything you can do good or any kindness you can share. Do it now. Don't let anyone defer or neglect it. For we shall not pass. Stop lang, ma'am. Okay. Okay. And then you stand up and walk fast. Stand up naman. Stand up na and walk fast. Walk na. Skywalk. And turn left. Guys, join me.
Thank you. Oh my God, happiest birthday ever. Thank you. Happy, thank you. Thank you.
Saglit, ma'am, saglit. Oh la la.
Thank you.
And now you know where the bird sings. They fly. Woohoo!
Grabe, thank you po. Hi, thanks for greeting me. Ano sila naglalaro?
Nagtitayo na sila ng football.
Ang saya, sobrang saya. Grabe, try nyo din. Hi, thank you sa greeting. Welcome to our vlog. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Thank you po. Ang saya, oh my God.
Interviewin niya rin sa paano yung interview kanina.
Ang saya, feels like flying. Try nyo din. Bye! So yun guys, so, ang saya kasi pagbaba ko, may nag-greet sa akin ng word. Parang grabe, ang sarap talaga mag-celebrate ng birthday sa ganito, no? Like, grabe, I'm so happy. Happy birthday to me indeed! Grabe guys, I love ako Sergeant. Tinan nyo, oh, bigyan ba? May bata nag-abot sa akin kasi sabi niya happy birthday to me. Sobrang definitely worth it. Talaga yung mga ganitong experience. So happy! So yun ngayon guys, andito kami sa may Highlanders Lake Resort. So, yun lang yung mga kami.
Ito lang. Ilagay na to ang swimming pool. Kaya kain ha.
May in-order. Okay lang, isipin nyo na lang po treat mo ngayong birthday.
Hiyain kami, ma'am.
Baka sawa na po sa tilapia.
Minsan nakasagrat mo rin dito.
Hindi po, kaya po. Gutom na po kasi talaga. Tumango. Baka dito po is parang saging.
Yes po. Same. sa akin, i-boil muna. I-boil siya kasama yung tapos niya.
Anong halaman to eh?
Loko.
We are on our next destination, ang zipline sa may Lake Cebu pa rin to. Na part. So, seven lakes. Seven falls rather. So, dito sa may Lake Cebu. So, inaabangan lang namin na uminit. Kasi, para mukha na kami ng drone shot ni Kuya. So, sabi namin kasi since free naman kaming dalawa lang naman. So, mas free kami naman sa itinerary kung ano yung gusto naming puntahan pa and continue. So, ngayon, sabi namin, okay lang naman kami mag-antay. Papunta here. Or mag-antay na lumiwanag bago mag-zipline. So, ayun guys. Another adventure. Jump pack adventure talaga tong araw na to. From Lake Cebu to paragliding and now to ziplining. O, diba? Happy 30th birthday indeed.
I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go. Don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, no, I don't wanna wake up. Don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you. Sometimes I forget to breathe. Looking in your eyes, wish you could see the things I see. Don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, I don't wanna wake up. Don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you. I wouldn't know what to, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do. Oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. Got me wrapped around your finger. Tell me what you wanna do. I think we're part of something bigger. Now my mind is filled with you. Oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. Oh you know, oh you know, oh you know.
Oh my gosh.
Baby, without. I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you. I wouldn't know what to, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. Baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do.
Yun guys. Tapos na na kami sa ziplining. Inabutan na naman kami ng ulan. Pero sobrang bait ni Lord kasi every time may gagawin kami, pinapatila niya. Tapos, ayun, biglang bubuhos yung ulan. Ayun guys, so thank you Lord for blessing us with good weather or intermittent weather pa din. Pero at least kahit paano na survive na nakakapag-activities kami na walang ulan. Especially kanina na nag-paragliding. Enjoy siya. We are down to our last activity. Last na to na kuya.
Yes, wow. Last na. And
Ilang na ako.
Pinagpala.
Oo, sa ngayon.
Kahit na medyo late na tayo sa
Pero sa mga susunod na araw, ano naman na tayo? Chill na lang.
Bukas medyo chill, long ride lang.
Oo, so may mga wala na kami babayaran sa mga activities, no?
Bukas, wala na ma'am. Depende na lang sa So, doon mo, wala naman. Mga costume
lang. Magkano yung mga costume?
100 lang
Ayun, so, ayan. So, ngayon talaga sinjinampak namin yung activity ngayon. So, ngayon, after namin magpalutang-lutang sa ere, magbalusok sa pababa ngayon naman, ay magpapakaligo kami. So, let's go. No, kaya pa? Kaya pa guys? Kaya pa yan? So, let's go. Medyo ulan lang ngayon pero carry. Lamig! Hi guys, so papalit tayo ng battery kasi 45 to 1 hour pala yung 45 minutes to 1 hour daw yung water tubing. So baka hindi na umabot yung battery ko, so mapalit ako na.
Labi na pala tayo mag-alis na.
Labi!
Bukas araw yung alis natin.
Totoo ba? Guys, safety first. So ngayon naka-life vest tayo kasi yung lalim up to 6 meters yung depth. Tapos may knee pads din tayo. Ayan. So let's go!
Let's go.
Let's go! Nai-realize ko lang na ang sarap magtrabaho. Tapos magbakasyon. Yung napupunta yung pera mo sa mga ganitong experience. Kasi, alam yun, minsan lang tayo mabuhay. So, sobrang grateful ko talaga sa sarili ko. Kasi for the past decade na, since nag-work ko, wala talaga akong ginawa kundi experience ang ganda ng Pilipinas. So, currently I'm on my 50th. So, and excited pa rin ako to discover so many things dito sa Philippines. And nasabi ko nga sa kanya na magtrabaho kami ng maayos at work hard. So, travel harder and then repeat. So, safety first. Precaution. Are you ready?
Yes, let's go.
Are you happy?
Of course.
Kamusta ang pera?
Ha? Babalik yan.
Tama. Mga linyahan ng mga gastador, babalik ang pera. Tama naman kasi ang time hindi. So yun pala guys, galakad kami papunta sa destination. Time check, it's already 4. And kanina nag-start kami ng 6 AM. So imagine, dami mo pwedeng magawa sa isang araw. Samantala pag nasa Manila ka, wala. Yung oras mo nauubos sa traffic. So ingat lang tayo dito guys kasi medyo madulas. Yun na pala sila kuya, hawak niya yung parang mga salbabida. Very steep. Pero laborn.
Ingat.
Guys, natawid pa pala ng ilog. Ano ba itong mga sakit ng katawan na ginagawa namin at the age of 30? Pero ang ganda nito guys, walang tulay. Look. Woo! Thank you, Lord! Kasama kami yung bata. So, yan. Alamig ang water. Alamig, guys! Alamig! So cold! But let's go!
ano ka dito?